AutoCAD Tutorial Tagalog would like to invite you to join my channel and become a member. So we have here types of membership that you can avail. We have regular membership, premium membership, and special membership. So if you avail regular membership, I will shout out your name on my next video. And in addition to that, you will have loyalty badge next to your name in comment section and on live chats and free use of our emojis. And we have also other perks exclusively for our loyal members, like giveaways or surprises every time we reach 100 regular members, 10,000 subscribers, and so on. Next, if you will avail premium membership, you will automatically have access with all the perks of regular membership. And in addition to that, you may have special requests for some files for your references by using this icon. And we have also other perks exclusively for our loyal members, like giveaways or surprises every time we reach 50 members with premium membership, 20,000 subscribers, and so on. Lastly, if you will avail special membership, you will automatically have access with all the perks of regular and premium membership. And in addition to that, you may have super special requests about the next topic on my next video or tutorial by using this icon. And we have also other perks exclusively for our loyal members, like giveaways or surprises every time we reach 20 members with special membership, 30,000 subscribers, and so on. Now, the question is how to avail membership. So, it's easy. Just click the join button beside subscribe button. So, what are you waiting for? Join me now and let's enjoy learning together. I'm super excited to meet you all soon. See you there!